Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to buy Amazon Prime. Alright, let's begin. So if you want to buy an Amazon Prime subscription, then first open up Google or your browser and search for Amazon Prime subscription. From the search results, go to first option, and this will take you to the Amazon Prime page. Now you need to go with Start your free trial. But if your trial period has already expired, then you can simply go with the Join Prime option. You'll find the Join Prime button. Tap on that, and then you'll be able to start your Amazon Prime subscription. You'll need to enter your payment methods. First, make sure that you are signed into your Amazon account. After signing in, scroll down and select Add a credit or debit card. You can also use a gift card if you have one. Just enter the code and then apply it. Once you go with the option to add a credit or debit card, enter the necessary card information. After adding your payment method successfully, your Amazon Prime will be activated, and you'll be able to use it. So that's basically how you can buy Amazon Prime. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.